How could you say things like that?
Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, you should totally subscribe and join my family because I constantly bust out content for you guys to improve your content and editing videos like this. I would just like to show you guys this package that I got from CVS. This video is a collaboration with them. I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the items that they sent me and telling you guys about their epic beauty event. So in this cart, it's so cute. They sent me a shopping cart, which I think is the cutest thing ever. In the shopping cart, they sent me the Neutrogena water gel sunscreen. I'm super excited to use this because in the summer I always spend way too much time in the sun and it's probably not good for my skin. They also sent the unicorn glitter dust peel off mask treatment, and my sister has already stolen this like multiple times. They also sent the honey eye gel for mature skin and it's anti-aging from L'Oreal, and I think I'm going to give this to my mom. And they also sent along a Garnier Skin Active Super Purifying Charcoal Sheet Mask, which I'm super excited to use too. I'm definitely going to use these as I'm pampering myself. So I wanted to thank CVS Beauty so much for sending me these products. They actually have this online epic beauty event they have going on where they have cash back, amazing deals, and I'll leave all the details in the description box down below. And to unlock these daily discounts on the CVS website, you will need to use the code EPICBEAUTY. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick little haul, and let's just get back on into the Tumblr intro templates. And don't forget to comment down below which template is your favorite and if you're planning to use any of them.
They make you love me. Oh, oh, baby. Oh, if I had. They make you love me. Oh, oh, baby. Oh, if I had.
Lemon boy and me started to get along together. Lemon boy and me started to get along together.
Ultimately, I don't understand a thing I try. Ultimately, I don't understand a thing I make you love